Yes guys, we are back again, and you know the vibe. From you guys see the yaba, you know it's baking time, right? So we are doing a Easter bun for you guys, and this is our flour, and this is 1 pound flour. These are our spices. We have mixed spice, we have cinnamon powder, we have clove powder, we have baking powder, bun softener, and salt. Right guys, so take a good look. Just going to add it to the yaba, right? Get it all up in there. Just going to give it a little mix to ensure that everything is evenly dissolved.
Distributed. Yes guys, so right now you see what I want. It's a festive time again. Easter bun, Jamaican spice bun. This is it.
Yes guys, and we have our raisin, and yes guys, I'm going to add the raisin to the flour because this will help the raisins not to sink to the bottom and also be evenly distributed, right?
Which is right guys, so follow these steps and you'll do exceptionally well as it regards to making this bun.
Yes guys, so that is it, and that's it for the dry ingredients. So let's go with the wet ingredients.
Soon forward. Yes guys, so now we're going to measure out the sugar.
Yes guys, and we want 8 ounces of sugar. Accuracy, you know guys. That's it.
Alright, so now we have the 8 ounces. Take a good look. Alright, so now we're going to add this to the shine pan.
Yes guys, in with the shine pan, and we are going to use half cup of wine guys. Half cup of wine, right?
Nice. So we're gonna whisk this to dissolve the sugar. Because we're not put it over no heat guys. Normally we would have put it over the heat and soften the sugar and so forth. So we get a gradual whisk to really resolve some of the sugar.
Dissolve the sugar guys.
So you want to check it with, we're testing it out when you're at the butter and the rest of the ingredients. So yes guys, so the sugar has dissolved. So now we're going to add some flavoring.
Yes guys, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon vanilla, and 1 tablespoon rose and almond.
Aroma from this guys is like a perfume for the kitchen.
Yes guys, 1 tablespoon browning,
and you can use molasses to substitute instead of the browning, but this time around we're using browning.
Yes guys, mix it in. Beautiful. Alright guys, so now I'm going to add the egg, but to cut the rawness from the egg, I'm going to add half teaspoon of lime juice, or if you have the natural lime, to the egg, right? The egg right here, and I'm going to add the half teaspoon lime juice, and I'm going to mix this to get it all in there. Beat that egg. Beautiful. This is it guys. So now I'm just going to add the egg to the mixture. Mix it in. Nice like how we want it guys. Beautiful. So now I am coming with that melted butter.
And it's 2 ounces guys.
Yes.
Now we're gonna just add this out and make a big whisk, and then get ready to incorporate everything with the dry ingredients.
The stout, guys. All of it, 1 bottle of dragon stout.
Or you can use any alcohol base you like.
Yes, guys, this is an alcohol bun. And drop it down in the comment section if you want to see us do an alcohol-free bun or a sugar-reduced bun. No
a diabetic bun then. Do that way, guys.
Yes, we can definitely do that. And guys, this is ready. So we're just going to come back again when we're adding the dry to the wet and get on with the finishing up, right? So forward.
Yes, guys.
So we have our dry and our wet. So now we're going to add the wet ingredient to the dry. Going to add it in sections, guys, and mix, right? Yes, guys. Strength we need now, we know the strength. Yes, guys.
Look at the color, look at that. Beautiful.
This is smelling so good, guys. If you're baking anything that you're baking and you don't smell the smell from before you put it in the oven, go back to the drawing board with the spices, guys.
Something wrong.
Definitely. Final remaining of that liquid.
Everything.
Right? Final mixing up. And guys, we have the oven preheating in the back, right? We're going to bake this at an oven temperature of 180 degrees for 1 hour and 10 minutes, right? Look at that. You seeing that, guys? Remember that we have raisin in this, you know, so yeah, you might see them gradually but properly mixed, right?
So guys, we know the catchy drift, so the next time when you see it, we have pour out this in a baking pan. So forward. Yes, guys, I have the strong chef here, Chef Reid, showing it out for me because, guys, if you know a yaba, you know that this is heavy, right? And this is a 42-ounce bun, right? So you see the mixture all in there. So I can catch you guys again when we're putting this in the oven. So forward. Yes, guys, our oven is properly preheated and now we're going to add the bun, right? We're going to bake this for 1 hour and 10 minutes at an oven temperature of 180 degrees. So Fahrenheit or Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
So forward. Yes, guys. We're just going to give it a check. We're 1 hour in, so that 10 minutes is remaining. And look at that, ready. Guys, so this is ready now within 1 hour. Look at that. So we're just going to do the glaze for the top. So let's go. Yes, guys, so now we're going to add our jam, and this is 1 tablespoon of jam. And the jam that we're using is grape jam, guys, but if you have the strawberry or the guava, that's fine as well. Coming with half tablespoon of sugar, one teaspoon water, and I'm going to mix this, guys. Get it all in there and everything nice and dissolved, right?
Coming together nicely. So we have to use this to glaze the bun, guys.
Yes, guys, this is the glaze for the bun.
And we do things a bit different around here.
Yes, guys.
Guys, if you realize it's a grape jam this time around.
Guys, whichever jam you enjoy, you can use that just the same, right? Coming down nicely. Let us hear you guys in that comment section.
Alright, guys, so I'm going to catch a drip, so the next time you see it, at least we are glaze at the bun. So forward. Yes, guys, so we're there again. So right now, she just go and glaze up the bun.
Yes, guys, and look at that out of the pan. And remember, guys, this is a 42-ounce bun, right? And whenever you're doing the glaze, remember it has to be done warm, right?
So when the bun cool, it incorporates and the glaze itself
get nice and glossy.
Yeah.
Most persons, all they do is just glaze the top, but we're going to go all around, right?
Alright, so now we're going to take on to the edges.
Yes, guys.
A closer look. Look at that. Beautiful. So, you know so the catch a drift I go on. So we're going to catch on the back when a packaging time.
Yes,
soon
guys.
forward.
Soon forward. Yes, guys, look at that. Beautiful, right? Our 42-ounce bun. And guys, this is how we package the bun. Globalist Interaction JA. Remember to follow our Instagram. And if that time come and you want bun, give us a call, right? What you have to say, chef?
Well, I don't really have much to say now. When I see the packaging, when I see the good look and the niceness, so just place on the order. The number go up on the screen. The Instagram go up on the screen. So just come over and you can DM us and tell what you want. And we do like have a menu over there as well. So just do the right thing and become a part of the Chef Reid and Chef Alexander family.
Yes, guys. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?